Creating an interactive manufacturer catalog in Flameplace is fast and simple. It appears on your company page. Open the catalog editor from the left toolbar. Click Create Collection. Enter the name. Choose a price segment. And select a main interior style. Optionally, add a substyle. Save the collection. Inside the collection, create an interior group. Product type. Subtype. Add a cover image for the group, at least one. We recommend a wide interior shot. Save the group. Inside the group, add your first product. Upload at least one photo. Pick a crop for the product preview. It's used in specs and proformas. Select the product name from the list. Add the product code. Enter dimensions. Indicate if custom production is possible. Provide net volume, net weight, and a short description. Save the product. Add pricing. Define its attributes. And set the retail price. Save. That's it. You can add another price option for this product, or add more products to the group. Building a manufacturer catalog in Flameplace takes minutes, not weeks.